Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new TikTok account. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Now tap on sign up. There are three ways you can sign up on TikTok. You can use your phone or email. You can continue with Facebook or Google. Now let's continue with Google. Now select any of your Google account. Now enter your birthday. Now you have to create a username. Now tap on sign up. And your TikTok account is created. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.